So the format now, okay, you have to take two front sides of your notebook, two front sides, okay, and जो wrong, reverse and correct entry था, problem number 28 we are doing. Wrong, reverse and correct entry would be on the left hand side. This is your mid partition. You will have wrong entry, reverse entry and correct entry on the left hand side. This is wrong, this is reverse and this is correct. And on the right hand side, okay, right hand side, you'll make this journal proper for rectified entries. So rectified entries would be on the right hand side in the form of a journal. तो बेसिक फॉर्मेट सेम ही है, रॉन्ग, रिवर्स, करेक्ट एंड रेक्टिफाइड. सिर्फ जो राइट हैंड साइड वाला जो पार्ट है उसमें यू विल मेक दिस journal proper, and here you will show your rectified entry. This is the fair part. This is on the right hand side. This is the fair part, and this on the left hand side, this will be a working note. This wrong, reverse, correct will be working note. Right hand side pe journal proper would be the fair part. Okay. The actual answer is mainly this journal proper. Ye working note se you will arrive at the actual answer. Okay. So draw this. Wrong, reverse, correct on the left hand side and rectified entries on the right hand side in a journal proper. Remember we discussed which journal you record the rectified entries in. Do you record in any other journal? Purchase book, sales book, returns book. Is it possible? No. All your rectified entries go in journal proper. So journal proper का format draw करना है. Wrong, reverse, correct left hand side पे और सीधा rectified जो working note form में लिखते थे उसको अभी journal form में draw करना है. So draw a journal, rectified entry in the journal with narrations properly. We will do that with narrations. Okay. So draw the format. Wrong, reverse, correct on left hand side and rectified entries on the right hand side. This is your actual format, fair format of journal.
So there's a date column also, right, for journal proper?
Yeah, that patla wala है में ना, this is the date. Date या फिर serial number चलेगा यहाँ पे. Okay, because all transactions are happening on the same day, so you can write serial number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Come on. Palak, Vidushi, Megha, Ruchi, video on. Draw the format, left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side wrong, reverse, correct, rectified entries on the right hand side. Sorry. Serial number, particulars, LF, debit rupees and credit rupees. Okay. Let's begin sum number 28 now. 28 sum. Okay. Sum number 28. Trial balance of Faithful was showing the difference of 1832. The debit side being heavier than the credit side. What do you mean by this? Debit side being heavier than the credit side?
The trial balance suspense account was on the debit side.
Debit is heavier than the credit side.
The credit
Suspense
side.
is having a balance on the credit side. Okay. Because debit is heavier. So credit छोटा है तो suspense obviously credit में बैठा है. ठीक है. So suspense is having basically a credit balance of 1832. Hope all of you got that. Clear? Now let's start with the errors. उसके बाद हमें ये errors मिले. So first one, cash received from Sandeep 500 was posted to his account as 50 rupees. Tell me the correct entry. What is the correct entry for cash received from Sandeep?
Cash account debit to Sandeep.
Cash to Sandeep 50 rupees is the correct entry. 500, sorry, is the correct entry. Cash to Sandeep 500 is the correct entry, right? What is the wrong part? It was posted to his account as 50 rupees. So, गड़बड़ किस में है? कैश में है कि संदीप में है? बोल. संदीप में गड़बड़. Posted to his account as 50 rupees. So, कैश तो राइट है, राइट? कैश में तो 500 ही किया है आपने. आपने संदीप में गलती से 50 लिख दिया, तो बाकी का क्या हो गया? वो डैश है, वो इफेक्ट ही नहीं दिया आपने. So that was what type of error? कौन सा टाइप का एरर था?
Commission.
Commission. You did, but you did wrong. So dash Sandeep to cash. Dash Sandeep to cash. This is 450, 50 and 500. This is your reverse entry now. Error of commission. This is cash cut. Sandeep bhi cut hoga. Sandeep on the debit and Sandeep on the credit. So 450 you are left out with on the credit part. So what's your rectified entry now? अभी ये rectified entry एकदम proper format में लिखना है. Suspense, full forms and everything. Suspense account debit to Sandeep account 450 rupees with narration being amount wrongly posted in Sandeep, now rectified. Amount wrongly posted in Sandeep, now rectified. Narration, you can always write it in your own word. Narration में क्या करना है? You just need to mention the error and last में now rectified. कि this is a rectification. अगर confusion हो रहा है क्या लिखना है narration में, as usual always just you can copy the question में error ही दिया है, simply copy the question and write now rectified. खत्म. बात समझ आया? So if you are able to mention the error in your own words, well and good, short and sweet. अगर नहीं हो रहा है तो just copy the question was an error only and उसके बाद 2 word add कर दो आगे, now rectified. Okay, just mention the question and now rectified. Is that clear?
Sir, how did you split the amount in Sandeep?
संदीप का डेबिट में 50 था ना यहाँ पे डेबिट में, और क्रेडिट में 500 था, राइट? तो डेबिट का 50 और क्रेडिट का 50 कट हो गया ना, तो क्रेडिट में 500 बचेगा ना. तो संदीप का क्रेडिट में इधर 500 और डेबिट में इधर डैश है. That is suspect. First one is clear. All of you got that? अभी ये आपका फेयर आंसर है, इसका ध्यान रखना, इसको बराबर से प्रेजेंट करना है. नो शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स अलाउड. ओके, लाइक योर प्रॉपर जर्नल विथ नरेशंस. ओके, सेकेंड वन. अच्छा, यही फर्स्ट वन में मेरे को एक बात बताओ. फर्स्ट वन जरा वापस देखो. कैश रिसीव फ्रॉम संदीप 500 वाज पोस्टेड टू हिज अकाउंट एज 50. इसके जगह पे ऐसा दिया होता, कैश रिसीव फ्रॉम संदीप 500 वाज पोस्टेड एज 50. तो क्या अज्यूम करते हैं, किस में पोस्टिंग एरर है, कैश में कि संदीप में? खाली पोस्टेड एज 50 दिया होता. पोस्टेड मतलब लेजर, मतलब एक अकाउंट में गड़बड़ होगा, तो संदीप में गड़बड़ होगा. व्हाई नॉट इन कैश?
Because that is in the cash book itself.
Exactly, that is in the cash book. So if you enter it in a journal, okay, I told you forgot to post, not to record in the journal. You did the recording in the journal. And cash book is what? It is a peculiar journal. Remember? Cash book is itself cash account. Cash book is itself bank account. तो कैश बुक में हो गया मतलब कैश अकाउंट में हो ही गया. बात समझ आई? तो पोस्टिंग एरर कौन से अकाउंट में होगा? तो संदीप में ही होगा, क्योंकि कैश में तो अलग से पोस्ट नहीं करते हम. इज दैट क्लियर? The same goes in fact for every subsidiary journal, चाहे परचेज बुक हो, सेल्स बुक हो, रिटर्न्स बुक हो. अगर मैं आपको बोलूं परचेज ऑफ गुड्स फ्रॉम राम 5,000 were posted as 500 in the ledger. Purchase of goods from Ram 5,000 were posted as 500. तो किस में गड़बड़ किया है? परचेज में गड़बड़ किया है कि राम में गड़बड़ किया? राम में गड़बड़ किया. क्यों? क्योंकि परचेज बुक से खाली राम अकाउंट में इंडिविजुअल पोस्टिंग होगा. परचेज अकाउंट में इंडिविजुअल नहीं होता, उधर टोटल जाता है. याद है? टू सन्ड्रीज एज पर परचेज बुक. तो उधर इंडिविजुअल पोस्टिंग होता ही नहीं है, तो इंडिविजुअल अमाउंट का गड़बड़ हो ही नहीं सकता. उधर टोटलिंग एरर होता है. आपने देखा है ना, परचेज बुक ओवरकास्टेड, अंडरकास्टेड, सेल्स बुक अंडरकास्टेड, ओवरकास्टेड, उधर टोटल का एरर होगा. तो सब्सिडरी बुक में से अगर कुछ पोस्टिंग एरर हो रहा है, सब्सिडरी बुक मतलब परचेज बुक, सेल्स बुक, परचेज रिटर्न, सेल्स रिटर्न, कैश बुक, इसमें से अगर कोई पोस्टिंग एरर दिया हुआ है, पोस्टिंग एरर, तो वो हमेशा दूसरे वाले अकाउंट, ये सब्सिडरी वाले अकाउंट में नहीं होगा. I'll give you one more example. Check received from Ashok 10,000 was posted as 1,000. Check received from Ashok 10,000 was posted as 1,000 in the ledger. So what is the entry for check received from Ashok?
Bank account to Ashok.
Bank to Ashok 10,000.
10,000 and dash and
गड़बड़ नहीं, गड़बड़ किस में है? बैंक में कि अशोक?
अशोक में.
अशोक में. तो रॉन्ग एंट्री क्या बनेगा? बैंक 10 to Ashok 1 to dash 9. Is that clear?
To dash.
All of you got? या फिर मैं आपको बोलूं goods sold to Rajiv 7,000 were posted as 700. Goods sold to Rajiv 7,000 were posted as 700. So what is the correct entry for goods sold to Rajiv? Rajiv to sales 7,000 were posted as 700. तो किस में गड़बड़ किया है पोस्टिंग?
Amount.
हाँ, but which account? राजीव में गड़बड़ है कि
राजीव
में गड़बड़? Sales is right. Why? Because
it is entered in
sales book में किया है
credit sales.
एंड क्रेडिट सेल्स है, और सेल्स अकाउंट में इंडिविजुअल पोस्टिंग नहीं होता, सेल्स अकाउंट में टोटल जाता है. अगर आपने सेल्स बुक में 7,000 लिखा है तो सेल्स अकाउंट में 7,000 ही जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक. तो पोस्टिंग किस में होगा? राजीव में होगा अलग से. राजीव में टू सेल्स, सेल्स में टोटल जाएगा. बाय सन्ड्रीज करते हो ना मंथ एंड पे, बाय सन्ड्रीज एज पर सेल्स बुक. गॉट दैट? तो रिमेंबर दैट कोई भी सब्सिडरी में से अगर पोस्टिंग एरर है तो दैट सब्सिडरी इज करेक्ट. पोस्टिंग एरर इज ऑलवेज इन द अदर अकाउंट, तो दूसरा. Is that clear? Next one, second one. A credit purchase of furniture from Hopeful rupees 750 was passed through the purchase book but was posted on the debit of his account. अभी गड़बड़ देखना, इसने बहुत खतरनाक गड़बड़ किया. पहले तो मुझे बताओ, credit purchase of furniture from Hopeful, what is the correct entry?
Furniture to Hopeful.
Furniture to Hopeful. All of you got that? ये आपका वर्किंग नोट है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, इधर आप शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स यूज कर सकते हो. तो फर्नीचर टू होपफुल दैट इज 750, दैट इज द करेक्ट एंट्री. ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट दैट? होपफुली. ओके. नाउ but was posted to it was passed through purchase book but was posted to the debit of his account. अभी ये परचेज बुक में डाल दिया है, खाली परचेज बुक बोल के छोड़ दिया होता, परचेज बुक बोल के छोड़ दिया होता, ये एंट्री परचेज बुक में गई है, तो एंट्री क्या होता आपका?
Purchase to
Purchase to
तो
hopeful.
परचेज टू होपफुल होना चाहिए, राइट? क्रेडिट परचेज ऑफ गुड्स, एरर ऑफ प्रिंसिपल. सो जस्ट अ सेकेंड. हाँ 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 सर, गुड मॉर्निंग. सॉरी, प्लीज टर्न ऑन द वीडियो. पूरा टाइमिंग चेंज हो गया था, सीए फाउंडेशन का एक इश्यू आ गया. Furniture to hopeful, that was the correct entry. 750 rupees, all of you got that. Now अभी it was passed through the purchase book. सिर्फ इतना बोल के छोड़ दिया होता, then what would have been your entry? Purchase to hopeful, right? बुक जर्नल चेंज कर दिया. बट आगे इसने एक और गड़बड़ की है. बट इट वॉज पोस्टेड टू द डेबिट ऑफ हिज अकाउंट. अब सोचो, परचेज बुक में डाल के होपफुल को क्रेडिट करने के बदले डेबिट दे दिया, तो क्या एंट्री होगा? रॉन्ग.
purchase hopeful to dash.
हाँ, परचेज होपफुल टू डैश. डिड यू ऑल गेट दैट? क्या हुआ? खाली परचेज बुक में डाला होता तो परचेज टू होपफुल होता. इधर परचेज बुक में डाला, फिर होपफुल को डेबिट देने, सॉरी क्रेडिट देने के बदले डेबिट दे दिया. तो होपफुल में बाय परचेज की जगह टू परचेज लिख दिया. दोनों डेबिट हो गए, परचेज एंड होपफुल. So there are two errors happening simultaneously over here. Can you see that? One is error of principal because furniture का आपने purchase में डाला, and another one is error of commission. Hopeful को credit देने के बदले debit दे दिया. Two errors. Okay. One is error of principal, one is error of commission. Mistake समझा पहले सबको? Did you get the wrong entry? हेलो, परचेज में डाल के होपफुल को डेबिट दिया, तो परचेज क्रेडिट में कुछ है ही नहीं, खाली कम पड़ा है क्रेडिट. रिवर्स इट, यू गेट डैश परचेज टू होपफुल. This is 1500, 750, 750. Can you cancel out anything over here? I think you can't cancel anything, right? Nothing can be cancelled over here. So what's your rectified entry? Merge everything. It is furniture account debit 750. Dash becomes suspense. So suspense account debit 1500 to purchase account, that's 750, to hopeful account, that's 1500. This is being purchase of furniture recorded in purchase book and wrongly posted, now rectified. Now rectified. In purchase of furniture recorded in purchase book and wrongly posted, now rectified. दो मिस्टेक हुआ. अब ये मिला आपको रेक्टिफाइड एंट्री. अब ये रेक्टिफाइड एंट्री को स्प्लिट कैसे करोगे, तोड़ोगे कैसे? हाउ विल यू ब्रेक इट डाउन? देयर आर टू एंट्रीज ओवर हियर. कैन यू गेट द हिंट? Think, how will you split the two entries?
Furniture to purchase and suspense to hopeful.
Correct. Furniture to purchase and suspense to hopeful. Got the reason why? Because I told you, remember, two errors, principal and commission. Commission was one-sided, principal was two-sided, no suspense involved. Amount देख के भी hint पता चल जाएगा आपको. It's furniture to purchase 750, same amount, and suspense to hopeful. Third one, बढ़े आगे. A credit sale of 297, टू संकेत है, फ्रॉम संकेत नहीं है, टू संकेत. जस्ट मेक दैट करेक्शन. क्रेडिट सेल ऑफ 297 टू संकेत. क्रेडिट सेल ऑफ 297 टू संकेत was posted to IKET's account as 279. पहले तो बताओ मुझे, क्रेडिट सेल टू संकेत, व्हाट इज द करेक्ट एंट्री फॉर क्रेडिट सेल टू संकेत?
संकेत to sale.
संकेत टू सेल्स. संकेत टू सेल्स, इट इज 297, राइट? ये आपका करेक्ट एंट्री है. इट वॉज पोस्टेड टू IKET's अकाउंट एज 279. थिंक अबाउट इट. क्या होना चाहिए रॉन्ग एंट्री नाउ? पोस्टेड टू IKET's अकाउंट एज 279.
IKET account 279
Yes.
will be 18
Dash. Nothing is 18, right?
and two sales 297.
Two sales will be
297.
297. Did you get the mistake? क्या किया? संकेत का IKET कर दिया. But IKET को कितने से डेबिट दिया है? 279 से. Is there a mistake in sales also?
Yes, the amount.
Sales में भी.
It is 270.
नहीं.
No, it is correct.
सेल्स में इट इज करेक्ट ना,
नहीं है
297.
Yeah.
गड़बड़ IKET में 297 का कर दिया 270. पोस्टिंग एरर. गॉट दैट? अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑल ऑफ यू? क्लियर विद दैट ईशा? संकेत का IKET का हो गया 297 का 279. So again two mistakes happen, but both are errors of commission. आपने अकाउंट का भी wrong account and wrong amount. Both are error of commission. Reverse it, you get sales to IKET to dash, that's 297, 279 and 18. Check whether you can cancel out something over here. I think
Sales will
you're
be cancelled.
cancelled. Yes, and what's your rectified entry? It is
Sanket account debit. IKET account to suspense account.
Sanket to IKET to suspense. Sanket to IKET to suspense. 297, 279 and 18 rupees. Being sales to Sanket wrongly posted, now rectified. Now rectified. Sales to Sanket wrongly posted, now rectified. Sales to Sanket, wrongly posted, now rectified. The fourth one you are not having, just put a small cross over there. That's there in CA Foundation, triple column cash book. Fourth one you don't have, just put a cross. वो भी चला भी गया है, no one uses it. CA Foundation में भी पुराना थोड़ा सिस्टम चालू है, इसके लिए ट्रिपल कॉलम भी है वहां पे आएगा वो. यहाँ पे you have just two columnar cash book, which we use widely now. Fifth one. Fourth one is omit. Fifth one. Purchase book was undercast by ₹100. Purchase book was undercast by ₹100. So which account will be affected? Obviously, purchase account. What balance does purchase have? Debit. Undercast मतलब गलती से कम हो गया है, अभी आपको बढ़ाना है. What will be your rectified entry?
Purchase to suspense.
Purchase to suspense. Purchase to suspense will be your rectified entry. Amount is ₹100. B. Purchase book undercast, now rectified. Okay, purchase book undercast, now rectified. Last one, wages paid for installation of machinery 500 were charged to wages account. Very simple. What is the correct entry when you pay wages for installing a machine? Machine को install कर रहा है.
Machinery to cash.
Machine to cash. Fixed asset purchased. Long term expense, capital expense. लंबा benefit देगा. घड़ी घड़ी नहीं होने वाला है, हर साल नहीं होने वाला. तो 500 is machine to cash. And what is the mistake we have done? We have done wages to cash. That's an error of principle. Reverse it, you get cash to wages. And rectified entry में cash cut. Okay. You get what? Machinery to wages, right? Machinery to wages being wages paid for installation of machine charged to wages, now rectified. Now rectified. The machinery charged, machinery for wages for installation wrongly charged to wages, now rectified. Make a suspense, check whether it tallies. Suspense account बना लो है. Check whether it tallies, suspense account. Debit, this is credit. What balance did suspense have? We saw it in the beginning, I think. Suspense was having a credit balance. So buy balance BD. That is 1832. And now posting karo. Suspense to Sandeep. That is suspense में 2 Sandeep 450. Then furniture suspense to purchase to hopeful. तो इसमें 2 entry है. इसमें suspense वाला कौन सा है? तो suspense to hopeful. Suspense में 2 hopeful. You can see the amount. That's 1500. दूसरा वाला principal था. Then संकेत to IK to suspense. इसको भी split करना है. इसको normally कर सकते हो. संकेत to IK and संकेत to suspense. To suspense to उसमें आएगा buy संकेत. Buy संकेत, that is 270. Buy संकेत, that is 18 rupees. Purchase to suspense, so suspense में buy purchase, that is 100 rupees. And last is machine to wages. So this makes it 1950. Correct? I think it tallies on 1950. Tallies on 1950, indicating all one-sided errors we have rectified. One-sided errors we have rectified. Got it? So that was your fair format. Exam में खाली यही बनाने का है, याद रखने का, यही मतलब ये रफ में ये working note और right hand side is fair. Marks are only for journal proper with narration. Even in CA foundation, the same format you have. Wrong, reverse, correct, and then rectified. Come to sum number 29. 29.
So wait.
Yeah. Suspense हो रहा है ना टैली सबका, देख लो. 29th sum. Come to sum number 29. Ninth problem. Same format अभी, fair वाला, wrong reverse correct on left hand side and rectified on the right hand side. So mid partition, that's your left hand side and right hand side. Left hand side पे 3 parts, right hand side only journal proper.
$29.
29. Okay. Can I start? इधर जर्नल प्रॉपर पे लिख सकते हो, इन द जर्नल ऑफ, इन द बुक्स ऑफ, कुछ नाम दिया है तो ऊपर वाले सम में अगर नहीं लिखा है तो लिख लो इन द बुक्स ऑफ फेथफुल. इसमें कुछ नाम नहीं दिया तो इन द बुक्स ऑफ डॉट डॉट डॉट. दिस इज नॉर्मल जर्नल प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. बढ़े आगे. फर्स्ट वन ध्यान से पढ़ो. द सेल्स डे बुक for December 79. अच्छा, the trial balance includes an item of suspense on the debit side as 100. सीधा सीधा दे दिया है. The trial balance includes an item of suspense on the debit side. So what balance is suspense having? What's the balance of suspense? Debit balance. The sales day book for November 79 has been overcast by 200. मतलब sales overcast हो गया है. So no wrong, no right, no reverse entry. सीधा rectified. What is the normal balance of sales? Come on. What is the normal balance of sales?
Credit.
Credit. Credit has been overcast. ज़्यादा बता दिया गलती से. तो अभी क्या करना है आपको? कम करना है उसको. तो सेल्स को कम करना है, कैसे कम करोगे? क्रेडिट को कम करना है तो give it a what? Debit. All of you got that? तो sales to suspense हो जाएगा आपका एंट्री. Sales to suspense 200 being sales book overcast now rectified. Sales book overcast now rectified. Then second, return inward for November 79 rupees 60 has been posted to the personal account only. Weird mistake, but mistake can be anything. Return inward for 79 rupees 60 has been posted to the personal account. पहले तो correct entry बोलो. What is the correct entry for return inward?
Sales returns to debtor.
Very good. Sales return to debtor. Sales return to customer. Got that? 60 rupees. Correct entry है sales return to debtor. भी ध्यान से पढ़ो. It was posted to the personal account only. Means what? What is the wrong entry?
Dash to debtor.
Yeah, dash to debtor. ये भाई ने क्या किया? जर्नल में किया ही नहीं, सीधा लेजर में जाके पोस्ट करके आ गया. जर्नल खाली पड़ा है, सेल्स रिटर्न खाली है, मतलब सेल्स रिटर्न अकाउंट भी खाली है. सीधा लेजर में जाके पोस्ट किया. डेटर में लिख उधर दिया है ना. प्रैक्टिकली तो ऐसा नहीं होता, पहले जर्नल होता है फिर लेजर होता है. बट ये भाई उल्टा कॉपी, इसने जर्नल में किया ही नहीं, सीधा लेजर में डाल दिया डेटर में. रिवर्स करो, यू गेट डेटर टू डैश. Can you cancel out something? You can cancel out debtor. So what are you left with? Your rectified entry is sales returns account debit to dash will now become suspense. Sales return to suspense 60 rupees being sales return not entered in sales return book now rectified. Okay. Sales returns not entered in sales returns book now rectified. Or you can copy the question. Sales return posted only to personal account now rectified. Sales return posted only to personal account now rectified. Is that clear? Third one. Return outward for October 79 rupees 150 has also been posted to the personal account only. Again similar error. Return outward का entry क्या होता है? What is the correct entry for return outward?
Creditors of account to purchase.
Creditors to purchase returns. Creditor to purchase returns. That's 150 rupees. Correct entry. It has also been posted to personal account only. तो कौन से account में किया आपने? गलती से सिर्फ creditors में किया. Creditors are 150. Creditors are 150 to dash. समझा error? Again partial omission. Reverse करो तो you get dash to creditors. Can you cancel out something? You can cancel out creditors. And you are left with dash to purchase return. So it becomes now suspense account debit to purchase returns. You can also write return outwards. Yeah, purchase returns, both are same. Entry amount is 150 being purchase return posted only in creditor account now rectified. A purchase return not entered in purchase return book now rectified. Narration में कोई hard and fast rule नहीं है. You can mention it in your own words or simply copy the question. Now rectified होना चाहिए था. Now rectified last. That's a rectification. Clear? समझ में आया पहला तीन? Any doubts? Next one. Sale of 500 to Karuna posted to Aruna. Very simple. What is the correct entry? Sale of 500 to Karuna का correct entry क्या होगा आपका? Karuna to sale. And it was wrongly posted to Aruna. So what is the wrong entry? Wrong entry is I think Aruna to sales, right? Reverse karo, you get sales to Aruna. And can you cancel out something over here? So sales gone. What are you left with? Karuna to Aruna. Karuna to Aruna. That's 500 rupees. That's your rectified entry. B. Sales to Karuna wrongly posted. Now rectified. Sales to Karuna wrongly debited to Aruna. Now rectified. वो भी लिख सकते हो wrongly debited to Aruna. Sales to Karuna wrongly posted to Aruna. Now rectified. What type of error was that? Aruna का Aruna हो गया. What is the error?
Commission.
Commission error. That was error of commission. Comfortable? That was your fourth one. Fifth one. Purchase of 470 from Manohar was not passed through the accounts book. The purchase of 470 from Manohar. What is the correct entry?
Purchase to Manohar.
Purchase to Manohar 470. Correct. It was not passed through the accounts book. So is there any wrong entry? No wrong entry.
Yeah.
I think that is complete omission error. No wrong entry, no reverse. So what's your rectified entry? Same as correct entry. Purchase account debit to Manohar account 470 being credit purchase from Manohar not recorded, now rectified. Being credit purchase from Manohar not recorded, now rectified. Now rectified. Yeah, you can write credit purchase completely omitted, now rectified. तो भी चलेगा. Okay. That was your error of omission, complete omission. Okay. Next one. Sale of old furniture of 300 was passed through the sales book. पहले तो मुझे बताओ sale of old furniture का assume क्या करोगे? Is it a cash sale of furniture or a credit sale of furniture? What will you assume for the sale of furniture?
Credit.
Credit.
Credit sale. Did you all get that? Why credit sale? Because sales book is there in the sum. Okay. So purchase book, sales book, returns book कहीं पर भी दिया, so it becomes a credit transaction. Remember? So what's your correct entry for sale of furniture? On credit basis?
Debtor to furniture.
Debtor to furniture. Correct entry था debtor to furniture. That is 300. Wrong entry is sales book में डाल दिया. सोचो अभी sales book में डाल दिया तो क्या wrong entry हो जाएगा आपका? Think. Debtor to sale. You showed it at credit sale of goods. You were supposed to show it as credit sale of asset. Showed it at credit sale of goods. You change the journal. Journal proper से चले गए आप sales book में. Error of principle हो गया ये. Reverse करो तो sales to debtors. Can you cancel out something? You can cancel out debtor. And what are you left with? The sales account debit to furniture account 300 being sale of furniture wrongly credited to sales, now rectified. Yeah, wrongly entered in sales book. Wrongly entered in sales book, now rectified. Wrongly entered in sales book, now rectified.
Sir, why debtor to furniture, not cash to furniture?
Sales book में enter किया है. Credit transaction ही होगा, है ना? वो तो cash book में होता तो cash to furniture. Sales book में तो debtor to sales. Got it? So entered in sales book, now rectified. Clear? Next one, 7th one. A check of rupees 76 received from Mr. X has been posted to his account as 67 only. What is the correct entry for check received from Mr. X?
Bank to Mr. X.
Bank to X. Bank to X 76. Is that right? Was posted now to his account as 67. गड़बड़ किसमें किया? बैंक में गड़बड़ है कि एक्स में गड़बड़? एक्स में गड़बड़ है, बराबर है? एक्स में गड़बड़ है. बैंक इज राइट. बैंक इज 76 to x will be 67. बाकी डैश. डैश में कितना आ गया? I think 9 rupees. Reverse it, you get dash x to bank. कमीशन एरर है. एरर समझा सबको? Posted to X का account as 67. So गड़बड़ was in X, not in bank. Posting error. Bank cut. x कट डेबिट और क्रेडिट 67 से जाएगा, 9 रुपया बचेगा यहाँ पे. Now what are you left with? Suspense on the debit, suspense account debit to X account, 9 rupees being check received from X, wrongly posted, now rectified. Check received from X, posted wrongly, now rectified. Check received from X, wrongly posted, now rectified. Yes, Maya, put out. Your sister. Unmute. 8th one. A check issued to Shriram, rupees 275, has been posted to his credit. This is good. 8th वाला. 7th तक हो गया सबका. 8th वाला पढ़ो. A check issued to Shriram, rupees 25. पहले तो correct entry बोलो इसका. Check आपने श्रीराम को issue किया. श्रीराम को check किया.
Bank account debit to Shriram.
Shriram to bank.
Shriram to bank.
What, Vidushi? श्रीराम टू बैंक. चेक दिया है तो पैसा दिया है. श्रीराम इज द रिसीवर. बैंक टू श्रीराम कब आता है?
When we would have received from
तो पे रिसीव करना है, तुम पे करना है तो रिसीव कर रहे हो. पे करने का करेक्ट एंट्री क्या होगा? श्रीराम टू बैंक. ऑल ऑफ यू गॉट दैट? नाउ रीड प्रॉपर्ली व्हाट इज गिवन. इट वाज पोस्टेड टू हिज क्रेडिट. तो गड़बड़ क्या हुआ? Can you think up and tell me the wrong end? It was posted to his credit.
Dash to bank to Shriram.
हाँ, dash to bank to Shriram. बैंक तो राइट ही था, श्रीराम को क्रेडिट कर दिया तो दोनों क्रेडिट हो गए, डेबिट खाली खम रह गया. ऐसे मत समझना कि श्रीराम को क्रेडिट किया तो बैंक को डेबिट किया. नहीं नहीं नहीं, पोस्टिंग एरर है. पोस्टिंग एरर. तो श्रीराम में गड़बड़ था. श्रीराम को डेबिट करने के बदले क्रेडिट दे दिया. बैंक तो राइट ही था पहले से, तो दोनों क्रेडिट में चले गए तो डेबिट में गैप आ गया 50 रुपीज का. दैट इज डैश. बस अभी रिवर्स करो इसको. 25, 25, 50. Can you cancel out something over here? You can cancel out bank, I think. Bank on the debit, bank on the credit. So what are you left with? Shriram add हो जाएगा. Shriram account debit to suspense account 50 rupees. Shriram account debit to suspense account 50 rupees. Being check issued to Shriram, wrongly posted, now rectified. Check issued to Shriram, wrongly posted, now rectified. Then we go to the last one, that is 9th one. Ninth one. Rupees 510 were due from Shri Kumar and this was written off as bad debts in the books. Shri Kumar एक debtor था, 510 लेना था, बेचारा bankrupt हो गया, तो we have written off the amount as bad debts. Final dividend of 51 rupees received from his estate is recorded in the cash book and has not been posted to bad debts recovered account. So right now, अभी किसका बात चालू? अभी are we talking about bad debts or bad debts recovery?
Bad debts recovery.
Bad debts recovery.
Bad debts recovery का बात चालू है. Did you all get that? We are not dealing with bad debt as of now. We are dealing with bad debt recovery. Bad debt तो हो गया पहले, वो एंट्री हो चुका है. तो मारो गोली. पढ़ो ट्रांजैक्शन, पढ़ो क्या दिया. 510 रिटर्न ऑफ एज बैड डेट, खत्म. बाद में कहीं से 51 रुपी लाया हो तो एंट्री क्या होना चाहिए? करेक्ट एंट्री फॉर बैड डेट रिकवरी.
Cash to bad debts recovery.
Cash to bad debt recovery 51. ये करेक्ट एंट्री होना चाहिए. कैश टू बैड डेट रिकवरी 51. पढ़ो अभी एरर. It was entered in cash book but was not posted to bad debt recovery account. So what will be the wrong?
Cash to dash.
Cash to dash. error of partial omission. Reverse karo, you get dash to cash, cancel out cash. What are you left with? What are you left with? क्या होगा आपका rectified entry will be suspense account debit to bad debts recovery. Suspense to bad debts recovery 51. Okay, being bad debts recovered, not posted to bad debts recovery, now rectified. Bad debts recovered, not posted to bad debts recovery, now rectified. Come on, make a suspense check whether it tallies. Quick, all of you. Make a suspense account. This is your suspense account. What is the opening balance of suspense? Debit balance, दिया हुआ है on top, to balance BD. 100. Start posting. First one is sales to suspense, 200. So buy sales, 200. Sales return to suspense. So suspense may buy sales returns, 60. Suspense to purchase returns. So either to purchase returns, 150. Karuna to Aruna, purchase to Manohar, sales to furniture, suspense to X. Suspense to X, that is 9 rupees. Sriram to suspense, so suspense may buy Sriram account, that is 50 rupees. Suspense to bad debts recovery. So to bad debts recovery, that's 51. Check if it tallies. 100, 150, 259, 359, 360. You're right, tally. 250, 310, and 260. It tallies on 310. Tallies on 310. तो ये सस्पेंस का पोस्टिंग है. इसका दूसरा इफेक्ट जा रहा है. वी आर नॉट शोइंग द अदर अकाउंट. समझा ना? दूसरा इफेक्ट विल बी देयर इन द अदर अकाउंट. जैसे सस्पेंस में बाय सेल है तो सेल में टू सस्पेंस, सस्पेंस में टू परचेज रिटर्न, परचेज रिटर्न में बाय सस्पेंस. दूसरा इफेक्ट इज इन द एक्चुअल लेजर अकाउंट, वन इफेक्ट इज इन द सस्पेंस. उसके बाद नया ट्रायल बैलेंस बनता है जो टैली हो जाएगा विदाउट एनी मिस्टेक. Is it tallying? Suspense check 310. I think it tallies 310 पे. Majority of the sums it tallies. Some sums it won't. Remember. Clear? Comfortable? Next one.
Sir, in college they started with journal.
Journal अभी start हुआ है. Okay. Basics खत्म किया. Double entry system.
Yes, yes. And while journal yesterday she did one sum. So when she did the sum, she said that the total parts is compulsory.
Total ना end में.
Because she said because of casting. She taught casting also, and she said कि totaling is compulsory. As the twice.
हाँ ठीक है, but she वो college wise है ना, they tell you, but then in exam if you are in time constraint so they allow. ऐसा है. Some colleges they tell कि total करना है compulsory journal, but then if you don't have time then वो last में रखें, क्योंकि if your entry is wrong ना then that total won't make any difference. So your entry should be perfect fully. Then last में if you have time you do the total. है तो करके आने का ऑफिस. Now try this sum on your own. Last sum number 32. Not the last for the day. Last sum number 32. Try on your own. Sum number 32. खुद से ट्राई करो, ट्रायल बैलेंस में सस्पेंस का क्या बैलेंस है चेक करो. Same format, wrong, reverse, correct, rectified with narrations, and also you have to make suspense account.
Sum number.
Sum number 32. 32, page number 102. Sum number 32, page 102. On start 30 seconds.
So in the second entry, Rupali will be debited, right? The wrong entry.
Yes, रूपाली को डेबिट दे दिया बाय मिस्टेक. So that doesn't mean के कैश को क्रेडिट दिया है, बराबर. गड़बड़ इज ओनली इन रूपाली. जर्नल का नहीं है. पोस्टेड, डेबिटेड, क्रेडिटेड सब लेजर में एरर किया. Getting the entries. Check the solution. Fourth one was a bit tricky one. Fourth one, try it. I'll explain again.
What are the receipts against the cash book means?
Think. Cash book याद करो.
So can you explain the second one का reverse and wrong entry?
Second one में क्या दिया है? Cash received from Rupali दिया है.
Yeah.
What is the correct entry? Cash to Rupali. Now it was debited to Rupali. So think. Rupali को डेबिट दे दिया. Does it mean कि कैश को क्रेडिट दिया?
No. So Rupali to dash.
Rupali cash to dash.
Rupali cash to dash.
And that amount is also wrong. Rupali में. Cash is right. Cash में it is 435. Rupali में it is 345.
Okay.
Total becomes 789 in that.
Yeah.
सर
Yeah.
सर वो फोर्थ एंट्री है सर, उसमें जो रॉन्ग एंट्री है उसमें डिस्काउंट क्यों नहीं आएगा?
डिस्काउंट नहीं आएगा क्यों? क्योंकि क्या लिखा है उधर?
Was recorded on the receipt side of the book.
और कितना अमाउंट भी दिया है 500.
हाँ 500.
डिस्काउंट कहाँ से? 500 ग्रॉस लिख दिया ना तुमने, पूरा टोटली लिख दिया 500 इन द कैश कॉलम ऑन द रिसीट साइड. 440 लिखना चाहिए था तो डिस्काउंट होता है, तुमने 500 लिख दिया, डिस्काउंट आएगा ही नहीं ना, ग्रॉस अमाउंट हो गया वहां. See, I'll discuss first one. All of you got first one? Any doubt in first one? Tell me. First one is clear? मिला सबको? Nirupama and Arupama. Correct entry the purchase to Anupam. Wrong entry a purchase to Nirupama. Reverse is Nirupama to purchase. Rectified is Nirupama to Anupam. Okay. Commission error. Second one padho abhi. Amount of 345 received from Rupali has been wrongly debited to her account as 435. So correct entry is cash to Rupali 345. Right? Cash to Rupali 345. Wrong entry में क्या किया है? Wrong entry क्या होगा इसका? Can you tell me the wrong entry? You have debited the amount to Rupali as 435.
Cash Rupali account to dash.
हाँ, cash Rupali to dash. But cash में right है. Cash was not wrong. Cash में it is still 345. Rupali में 435. And dash, that is 780 to dash. Got it? Reverse is dash to cash to Rupali and rectified is suspense to Rupali. Rectified is suspense to Rupali 780. Is this clear? Posting error. Posting Rupali को credit देने की बदले debit दिया, वो भी wrong amount से. दो mistake. Wrong account, wrong amount. दोनों error of commission. Proprietor's life insurance premium of 200 was wrongly debited to staff insurance account. What is the correct entry? Life insurance paid का drawings to bank. बराबर है? Hello, drawings to bank, but it was wrongly debited to staff insurance. So wrong हो गया, staff insurance to bank. Reverse is bank to staff insurance. Rectified is drawings to staff insurance. Bank cut, so it's drawings to staff insurance. Understood? Is that clear? And the last one, sorry, fourth one, very important. An amount of 440 paid to Sonal in full settlement of her account. ये इसका correct entry क्या होना चाहिए? Sonal to cash to discount received. Sonal to cash to discount received. 500, 440 and 60. ये correct entry होना चाहिए. All of you agree? It was of 500 was recorded on the, oh sorry
So it'll be 440 because
440, my mistake. Wait one second. Wrong entry, I didn't see the amount of it. Wait. Correct entry is this. Correct entry is Sonal to cash to discount received. Okay, Sonal to cash to discount received. All of you got that? Now it was entered on the receipt side of cash book. खाली इतना दिया है. It was entered on the receipt side of cash book. Now think, if it was entered on the receipt side, मतलब payment का receipt हो गया. जैसे याद हम लोग करते हैं परचेज बुक का सेल्स बुक हो गया या सेल्स बुक का परचेज बुक हो गया, एंटायर एंट्री गेट्स रिवर्स, उल्टा हो जाता है जर्नल में. वैसे ही अगर आपका पेमेंट का रिसीट साइड हो जाएगा, मतलब कैश बुक में करना था पेमेंट साइड पे और डाल दिया रिसीट साइड पे, तो मतलब क्या किया? यू हैव डन द एंटायर एंट्री उल्टा. फुल एंट्री हैज बिकम उल्टा. रिसीट का पेमेंट, आपको समझो पैसे मिले हैं राम से, राम से आपको पैसा मिला है, तो एंट्री क्या करते हो? कैश टू राम, कैश टू राम करते हो. और आपने उसको पेमेंट साइड पे एंटर कर दिया. पेमेंट मतलब वो ऑपोजिट साइड पे, तो बाय राम हो गया, तो एंट्री क्या हो जाएगा? राम टू कैश. ये पोस्टिंग एरर नहीं है, लेजर वाला एरर नहीं है, जर्नल है ना कैश बुक. कैश बुक के दो साइड है, रिसीट साइड, पेमेंट साइड. तो रिसीट का पेमेंट कर दिया या पेमेंट का रिसीट कर दिया, तो एंटायर एंट्री विल बी उल्टा. दिस इज जर्नल का एरर. बोथ द अकाउंट्स वुड बी रॉन्ग. डिड यू गेट दिस? ये फर्स्ट पार्ट समझा पहले. तो रिसीट का पेमेंट या पेमेंट का रिसीट, एंटायर एंट्री उल्टा. तो यहाँ पे क्या दिया था? सोनल टू कैश टू डिस्काउंट था, अभी इट वॉज एंटर्ड ऑन द रिसीट साइड ऑफ कैश बुक, मतलब पूरा एंट्री आपने ऐसा बता दिया कि इट्स अ रिसीट, पेमेंट की जगह रिसीट, तो उल्टा एंट्री क्या बनेगा? व्हाट विल बी द रॉन्ग एंट्री? थिंक, टेल मी, सोचो.
Cash discount to source.
Cash discount to Sonal. Cash discount to Sonal. Okay. Cash discount to Sonal. I didn't see the amount. I thought it was 500. That was a mistake. एंट्री क्यों उल्टा हो गया समझ में आया आपको? करना था सोनल टू कैश टू डिस्काउंट, कर दिया रिसीट. रिसीट मतलब पैसा आने का एंट्री कर दिया, पैसा आने का तो कैश डिस्काउंट टू सोनल हो जाएगा ना, डिस्काउंट अलाउड हो जाएगा वहां पे. रिवर्स करो, यू गेट सोनल टू कैश टू डिस्काउंट अगेन. Can you cancel out anything over here? Can you cancel out anything? Tell me. Nothing, right? So add up everything, you get what? Sonal 1000, to cash 880, to discount received, that will be 60, to discount allowed, that will be 40. That will be 60. 60 are both discount allowed and discount received. तो बेसिक हमेशा याद रखना, जब भी साइड चेंज कर दे तो इधर पोस्टिंग एरर नहीं है कि सोनल को डेबिट रॉन्ग दिया या सोनल को क्रेडिट रॉन्ग दिया. व्हेन यू चेंज द साइड, योर एंटायर एंट्री विल बी उल्टा. रिसीट का पेमेंट, पेमेंट का रिसीट, फुल एंट्री उल्टा. गॉट दिस? नेक्स्ट वन, credit sale of 400 to Miss Asha was credited to her account in the ledger. What is the correct entry for credit sale to Asha?
Asha to sales.
Asha to sales. It was credited to her account in the ledger. So गड़बड़ किस में है? आशा में है कि सेल्स में, कि दोनों?
Only Asha.
Only Asha. So what will be your wrong entry? Think. It was credited to her account in the ledger. So wrong entry क्या बना?
Dash to sales
Dash
to
to
Asha.
sales to Asha. Dash to sales to Asha. Reverse is Asha sales to dash. Rectified is what? Asha to suspense. Rectified is Asha to suspense. Got that? Check the suspense account. It tallies, I think. Suspense account tallies. Okay. Last sum for the day. Start with sum number. Sum number 30. Sum number 30. Sum number 13. 13th sum. Wrong, reverse, correct, rectified. You can skip the narration. Narrations are clear, all of you? इस वाले में narration आया सबको? Any problem in narration, anyone? Just chapify the question and now rectified, okay? Chapify the question and now rectified. Narration नहीं है ना problem किसी को? Now rectified खाली last. You can skip the narration then, it's fine. Just do wrong, reverse, correct, rectified. 13th sum. 1-3, 1-3. 1-3, 1-3. 13. 13th sum. 1-3. 13th sum. 13th sum में second वाला थोड़ा tricky है, दिमाग लगाना. Manageable है, but use your brains, think. Second one. 13th sum. बाकी तो manageable है सब.
So not posted at all means no entry.
क्यों नो एंट्री? वहां पे एक रीजन है.
Not in because it hasn't been recorded, so there would be no mistake.
नहीं. कौन से जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड किया है उसको?
नॉर्मल जर्नल में रिकॉर्ड.
जर्नल प्रॉपर.
प्रॉपर.
जर्नल प्रॉपर मतलब सिंगल जर्नल, नॉट इन कैश बुक, दैट इज इन सिंगल जर्नल. सिंगल जर्नल से दोनों अकाउंट में जाता है ना पोस्टिंग. कैश बुक में है तो वहां से एक अकाउंट में जाता है, बट जर्नल प्रॉपर है तो उसमें से दोनों अकाउंट में यू हैव टू डू द पोस्टिंग, राइट? सिंगल फर्स्ट चैप्टर वाला जर्नल.
Yes.
हाँ, तो नॉट पोस्टेड एट ऑल मतलब दोनों में पोस्ट नहीं हुआ.
हाँ. So
कंप्लीट
that it wouldn't have.
कंप्लीट ओमिशन. कैश बुक दिया होता ना, इट वाज रिकॉर्डेड इन कैश बुक बट नॉट पोस्टेड, मतलब कैश बुक में हुआ है और दूसरे अकाउंट में नहीं हुआ. वो नीचे आएगा, वैसा भी एरर है. कैश बुक में हुआ है और दूसरे अकाउंट में नहीं हुआ. जर्नल प्रॉपर मतलब कॉमन जर्नल, फर्स्ट चैप्टर वाला, उसमें से डबल पोस्टिंग चाहिए. Not posted at all means complete omission.
Was omitted from the books of account again means that it hasn't been recorded.
Complete omission. Complete omission. हो गया? करो डिस्कस.
No, sorry. Can you explain the fourth one?
I'll explain. See, additional capital introduced by the proprietor. What is the correct entry for capital introduced?
Cash account debit to capital.
Cash to capital. It was recorded in the cash book but was not posted to the capital account. Cash
So
book
it will be recorded in the cash side, but there is no entry in the capital account.
So
Capital account will be dash.
dash. Cash to dash is the wrong entry. Perfect. Posting error. Cash to dash is the wrong entry. Posting error. Reverse is dash to cash. Rectified is suspense to capital. Rectified is suspense to capital. Sum number 19 is for homework. Sum number 19. 19th sum. 19th sum में खाली wrong reverse correct rectified करना है. सस्पेंस अकाउंट हम लोग क्लास में करेंगे इसका 19th sum. Okay. 19th sum. Just do the wrong reverse correct and rectified part. Suspense account will do it in the class.
Journal form, right?
Journal form with narrations, journal format with narrations. 19th sum. Okay. Suspense will do it in the class. अब मेरे को बोलो 13th sum. 13th sum चेक कर लो फटाफट. 13th sum. Goods returned by Pathak were defective and not recorded in the books. ये मिला. Correct entry sales return to Pathak. Wrong entry है ही नहीं, reverse है ही नहीं, rectified is same as correct. Sales return to Pathak. बराबर है? Then, sorry, एक मिनट. Return to Pathak, sorry. Pathak to purchase return. Correct is Pathak to purchase return. Wrong है ही नहीं, reverse है ही नहीं. Rectified is Pathak to purchase return. Then commission received 625 was recorded in the journal proper but not posted at all. This one you got journal proper मतलब that सार्वजनिक journal, single journal, first वाला chapter में जो किया था. तो सब entries common journal में करते हो तो आपको दोनों account में posting करना होता है. तो not posted at all मतलब दोनों account में post नहीं हुआ. ऐसा नहीं है कि cash में हुआ है, commission में नहीं हुआ है, commission में हुआ है, cash में नहीं हुआ है. Journal proper से ज्यादा तो दोनों account में जाता है. Not posted at all मतलब complete omission. Is complete omission. Got that? If nothing is given, then we assume that we are following subsidiary books. But when they give such thing, journal proper, common journal, then you have to follow that. So complete omission है, correct था cash to commission received, wrong है ही नहीं, reverse है ही नहीं, rectified is also cash to commission received. Is that clear? Third one, purchase of machinery from Hindustan Machinery 9,900 on credit was omitted from the books. Correct entry is machinery to Hindustan Machine. Wrong है ही नहीं, reverse है ही नहीं, rectified is also machine to Hindustan Machine. Additional capital introduced by proprietor into the business was recorded in the cash book but not posted to capital account. Correct entry is cash to capital. Wrong is cash to dash. Reverse dash to cash. Rectified is suspense to capital. Suspense to capital. Cash received from Patel 3,300 though recorded in cash book was not posted to his personal account. Same. Correct entry is cash to Patel. Wrong is cash to dash. Reverse dash to cash. Rectified is suspense to Patel. Goods sold to Kishore 6565 on credit was not posted to his personal account. Correct entry tha Kishore to sales. Wrong is dash to sales. Reverse is sales to dash. Rectified is Kishore to suspense. Kishore to suspense. Is that clear? Just check the homework sum. Homework का sum number क्या था? Just forgot that. Tell me. Homework का sum number. Take out the homework sum.
I guess 12th sum.
12th sum. वो तो last lecture था. उसके बाद 16th sum. Purchase stationery 450 was debited to commission account. Correct entry is stationery to cash. Wrong is commission to cash. Reverse cash to commission. Rectified is stationery to commission. Error of commission. Okay, stationery to commission. 7,000 received from Suneet has been wrongly posted to Sunil. Correct tha cash to Suneet. Wrong is cash to Sunil. Reverse is Sunil to cash. Rectified is Sunil to Suneet. Sunil to Suneet. Goods of 2,000 returned by Praveen were not recorded in the books. Correct entry is sales return to Praveen. Wrong है ही नहीं, reverse है ही नहीं. Rectified is also sales return to Praveen. Credit side of Sandeep account has been overcast by 200. Clear cut दिया हुआ है कि credit ज़्यादा हो गया है. अभी credit को कम करना है तो क्या करो?
Increase the debit.
Increase the debit. So Sandeep to suspense. Rectified entry is Sandeep to suspense. Is that clear? Freight paid for purchase of furniture debited to freight. Correct tha freight. Correct tha furniture to cash. Wrong is freight to cash. Reverse cash to freight. Rectified is furniture to freight. Is that clear? Goods sold worth 8,000 to Sadanand were posted to Vijayanand. Correct tha Sadanand to sales. Wrong is Vijayanand to sales. Reverse is sales to Vijayanand. Rectified is Sadanand to Vijayanand. Comfortable? So that was your homework part. If you have still any doubts, wait. एक सम आज का homework है. आज का homework मैंने कौन सा दिया है? Sum number 19 is today's homework. Rectify करना है journal proper format में with narration. Okay. Suspense account बनाने का नहीं है. I'll make the suspense in the next lecture. We'll continue from there. Doubts है तो रुको, otherwise you can leave.
Sir, in exam we have to draw that working note.
Yes, you have to. Otherwise, how will you find out the rectified entry? Directly कैसे मिलेगा? बहुत difficult हो जाएगा. कर सकते हो, होता है, जमता है तो उसका marks नहीं है. But MITI by NM expects you to do. PODA doesn't expect. HR doesn't expect. So it's fine if you don't do the working note. But it's advisable to do. कि वो करोगे तो एकदम sure हो जाओगे rectified entries.
Yesterday you had posted 2 parts of the recording.
हाँ, they were not 2 different lectures. They were the same lecture.
Same sums were done. So
हाँ, same sums were done in both the lectures.
It
was हाँ वो log out हो गई थी ना बीच में, तो आधा recording वीर ने किया, आधा
the same sum.
Same sum.
Bye sir, thank you so much.
Bye. Take care.
Bye sir.
SYJC admissions have started, right?
Sorry.
SYJC admissions.
अरे हो गया, batch 1 full. Come on, फटाफट.
Sir, in the rectification entry, why do we use only journal proper?